Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 slow internet. Fix it fast with these easy steps. First method is disable and re-enable network adapter. Second method is stop more internet access app. Third method is run command. Fourth method is update network adapter. Fifth method is reset network. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.